Welcome to 1308 Mathison Drive, which is located on the west side of Sandpoint. And this is one of the premier neighborhoods in all of Sandpoint due to all of the amenities that comes with the neighborhood. Let me show you around. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, an office, and you're gonna love the vaulted ceilings, the brand new LVP flooring, the granite countertops, and it's move-in ready right now for you. One of my favorite features about this house, and you're gonna appreciate this if you have kids, the master bedroom's on one side of the home, and you have to pass the kitchen, the office, and the living room before you get to the 2 additional bedrooms. I love how big this backyard is. It's gonna be great for entertainment and if you have kids or dogs. And if you wanna have a fence, the HOA does allow one. This is a desirable location, and not just because it's a great area to walk your dogs in with your family, but you have the Dover Bay and Sandpoint Community Trail, but you also have access to the Westwood Terrace, tennis courts, and pool. If the Westwood community is a neighborhood that you think that you want to move to, go ahead and reach out to me. Let's discuss this amazing community and all the amenities that comes with it.